पयले सुवातेर हांव जेजूक आनी वालांगण साहेबीक सपना साहेबाक आनी सगळ्या संतांक आनी म्हजे गोंयचे भाव भयणांक आनी दुसरे आमगेले जे सपोर्ट करपी भावांक भयणांक मागता एक बरी तांकां भलायकी. कारण आज गोंयच्या लोकांक आनी इंडियेच्या जायत लोकांक सचिन ब्रदर्स म्हणटी फुटबॉल गेम आयएसएल वचपाक गेलो मागणें आहलें आनी आयज 10 जाणां मागण्यांनी जेजून सायबीण आयज आमकां हो एक व्हडलो गिफ्ट दिलो. पूण हो गिफ्ट मेळपाक होल आनी सोल मुगेली दू वालांका आलेमांव ताणें इतलो प्रश्न ह्या क्लबा लागून मांडला. कितले फावटी तें जुरी, कितले फावटी तें सुप्रीम कोर्ट, कितले फावटी हायकोर्ट, तें आख्खेंच सारकें म्हणजे इतलें तेणें त्रास काडले हो क्लब कोताळपाक, हो क्लब मुखार व्हरपाक. आयज मुगेली दुय वालांका व्हरी आनी मुगेलो पूत मातसो तो ना तो सावियो आनी मुगेलो नातू चलो आदित्य हेमी खूब आनी खूब म्हणटे त्रास काडले आनी आमगेलो जो क्लबाक सगळें मेंटेनन्स बी सगळें कोता म्हाका दुसरो आमगेलो तो फुटबॉल चोवपी आमगेलो रिचर्ड आनी दुसरे आंगाचेर आशिल्ले सगळे. मुगेली बायल येयला तेकाय फुटबॉल म्हळ्यार निंदपणां. सो आमगेले भुरग्यांकूय फुटबॉल म्हळ्यार निंदपणां. आज तेंकलें ना आमगेलें कोण तें एंजल ते दोगांय आहाय तिगांय आहाय लिंदा आंतोनियो आनी मानेल. पूण आमचें कितें फुटबॉल म्हणटा तो आमगेलो सारको काळजांतल्यान आमी आतां समज आतां आमचो टायम जालो पूण फ्युचर जेनरेशन पासून आमगेलें फुटबॉलाक मुखार वचत रावतलें म्हाका दिसता. कित्याक हो फुटबॉल पण म्हणटा तो आमच्या आंगार येवपा एकूय कारण आमगेलो बापूय ब्राज जालेमो एक आसलोलो काब पुर्तुगेज टायमाचेर तें सोडून तो रेफ्री जालो आनीक मुगेले दोगूय आंकोल आयज सोंपले ते जुआंव बातीस पेरांव आनी क्रूज पेरांव हे दोगूय बरे फुटबॉल प्लेयर. सो तेमगेलें तें सगळें मेळून आयज आमच्या हांगा आयले. हांव मुगेलो सोंपलोलो भाव सियाब्रो, सोंपलोलो भाव क्रूजवेल, सोंपलोलो भाव आल्दोनास, आमी सगळे फुटबॉल खेळपी वचपी भाव मुगेलो जोगोजीन पासून फुटबॉल खेळपी आमी तेन्ना आमकोडे बूट आमी व्हरोन जाल्ले, फुटबॉल आमी व्हरोन जाल्लो. त्या टायमाचेर चड भिकाचो बी फुटबॉल तो त्या टायमाचेर कोण सांपड पण आहलो, आमी सगळें करून जाल्लें. पूण आयज सगळे प्लेयरांक जायते भाशेन जालां आनी आयज जरी तरी पोवांक तरी आयज हो दीस मेळ्ळा जाल्यार लोकां मागण्यांनी आनी लोकां मागणी म्हणटकूच देव तुका जाय ध्यान दिता. आनी चड करून तुमी सारके प्रेस हे तुमी आमचे बारा सदां आहाय कसले कामां. सो हांव मागोता आवडयता जेन्ना तुमी हो क्लब तर मुखार वयतलो तुमी आमकां बरो सपोर्ट करपाचो. लोक आमकां सपोर्ट करतलो आनी तुमचे मागण्यांनी आनी लोकांच्या मागण्यांनी तेन्ना आज ISL आमकां डिक्लेअर जालां. शॉर्ट टायम प्लेयर सगळे आतां जाप करून हाडपा जाय. एक आदित्य वालांका, आमगे पूत सावियो आनीक हांव कितें मेळटा तें आमी पुंजान एक बरी गेम तयार करतले. सो हांव मातसो सिंकेर आसा. म्हाका आयज गेम आमी मुखार वता आसतना आमी सगळे 26 जाण भाव ग्रावंडाचेर आसताले आनी चड करून मोठो मुगेलो भाव सियाब तो सारको घरांक वचोन प्लेयरां बी हाडपी. दुसरो मुगेलो भाव रोजवेल्ट आनी ऑर्गनायज आज तिगोय भावांगे मागण्यांनी तेमी कडेन मागोवन जालां आसतलें लालूच आमगेली ते कोणी तेमी हांगा मागोवन जालां आसतलें कित्याक आमी इतले त्रास काडले फुटबॉलाक आनी तेंगेले मागण्यांनी ही गेम आमगेर मुखार पावल्या आज मुगे भावनाय बरें आज ते आलो जाल्यार आज सारके इतले हें आसताले सारके इतले मुड आसताले आनी सिया मोता आमगेलो तो नॉक आसतलो कितें करपाचें आनी करून ते भाशेन रिजल्टान ते म्हणल्यार आज हांव जागो मागता आमी संवसारान म्हणटा एक थोडो तेम आज येयले आज गेले पूण जें आमी चर्चिल ब्रदर्स जें नांव घालप्याकूय हांव सदां बरें मागता पिटेराक कित्याक आमी चर्चिल ब्रदर्स नांव दिवपी म्हणटा पिटेर कित्याक बेळगांव ताचो आनी आज हें इतलें वयर वयर ऑर्गनायजेशन जाता म्हाका खबर ना पूण लोकां मागण्यांनी देवागे देण्यान म्हणटा भाशेन आमी इतल्या मुखार वयलां आनी हांव मागतां जे सगळे सोंपलेले भावां कडेन कडेन तेमी देवा बोगले मागून आनी लोकांगे मागण्यांनी आमगेली आयएसएल गेम चल्ल्या पुरमून आनी आमी जिखल्या पुरमून हें आमगे मागण जाणा हो क्लब 5 वर्स फुडें गेल्लो जर तरी मुगेली वालांका आलेमांव ना तें तरी कोर्टां वचना हो क्लब आमकां पोतो मेळना कित्याक पॉलिटिकली आमचो क्लब आरडिल्लो पूण जेन्ना तें कोर्टान गेलें आनी त्या कोर्टान आमकां वचोन आनी कोडे क्लब पोत हाडलो आनी आज तेका लागून हो क्लब आज एकदम मुखार वयता आनी आज हांव जाणा म्हाका गोंयचे चारय कोणशांनी फोन येयले बॉम्बेसून येयले उदकून येयले आमी एकदम हॅपी म्हूण की गोंयची टीम पयले फावटी आयएसएला वयता आनी आज आमचे टिमीक मागता सगळे गोंयकार भाव भयणांक लागीं तेन्ना ही टीम स्टार्ट जाल्ली तेन्ना तेमगेलो आमकां सपोर्ट जाय जर तरी लोकांचो सपोर्ट ना जाल्यार प्लेयरांकूय खेळपाक तितली मजा येना सो प्लेयरांचो आमकां लोकांचो सपोर्ट जायो आनी आमकां चड करून प्रेसाचो सपोर्ट जायो तें मुखार दवरलें आनी हांव सगळ्यांक जे क्लबा हाडल्यान जो कोण सपोर्ट केला आनी सदां सपोर्ट आसतलो तें सगळ्यांक हांव कालदांतान नांव काडटा सगळ्यांक देव बरें करूं म्हणटा आनी हांव मागतां जेजू कडेन आनी सायबीण मांय कडेन जे आमचे जे आतां चिंतना जावं म्हणजे दुयेंती वालांका जे प्लेयर हाडपाक वो म्हजो नातू आदित्य प्लेयर हाडपाक म्हाका जावं कोण आहा इथे भायर मागीर प्लेयर हाडपाक आमकां देवान बरी संदी दिल्या पुरो आनी देवान चिंतल्या पुरो आमी प्लेयर हाडटाचे बरें जाल्यार आनी एक आयएसएल एक बरी गेम आमी गोंयकारांक दाखयतले म्हूण हांव सोदता आनी तुमगेलो प्रेसाय गेलो सदां सपोर्ट आसता म्हूण हांव सोदता आनी एक फावट जेजूक आनी सायबीण मांय वालांक मागीर हांव म्हजी काळजांतल्यान आज दितां आनी तेंगेलें बेसांव आमचेर पडपाक मागता जेजू कडेन आनी सायबीण मांय कडेन आनी सगळे बरे बरे प्लेयर खेळोन आज आयएसएल एक गोंयकारांय मुखार वचपाक आनी तुमी सगळे प्रेस सपोर्ट करतले गोंयचे लोक सपोर्ट करता म्हूण मागून हांव ही 2 उतरां दाखयतां
दिनवास आणि थँक्यू देवा आणि सायबीण माय आज और दीस पावजाल तो thanking Almighty God and Mother Velankini. Special thanks to all the fans, supporters of Churchill Brothers. This is a dream come true for all the people of Goa, and my gratitude to Tata, Jamshedpur FC and AIFF for giving us this license, the sporting license to participate in the Indian Super League. I think that Rome was not built in a day, and legacy takes a lot of hard work, dedication, commitment and support. And this is something Tata Steel and Jamshedpur FC has seen in a club founded by this man, Churchill Alamau, and his brothers and the entire family. I just want to say that this entire partnership is built on trust, it's built on good faith, and at the same time we have taken over the responsibility to play the players who are contracted with Jamshedpur FC and the coaches as well. And obviously there are a lot of players which Churchill Brothers has. The goal of Churchill Brothers has always been to give a platform to Goans, and that is where we belong. आणि एक स्वतः आंदोलन की एक नीज गोंयकारांगे क्लब ISL as I know. So I think with great humility and gratitude, I think I thank everyone and to the media who's always asking why cannot jata Churchill Brothers hai cannot jata. So finally the day is come with everybody's blessings, and there is an agreement which is made between Jamshedpur FC, Tata and Churchill Brothers. As you all know, Tata Steel is a listed company and there were many things they had to do before this. But I am really thankful, and I would want to read the statement which Mr. D.B. Sundararaman, Vice President Corporate Services, Tata Steel has said. He said Churchill Brothers FC is a club with real history in Indian football. And we are glad this agreement gives our players and coaches the opportunity to continue playing club football. We are thankful to AIFF and Churchill Brothers for their partnership in making this transition a smooth one. And this is really what it is. From here, and future is youngsters. So Jenna ek club आणि तुगेले एक youth सिस्टमान तू प्लेयर आहे तो ऑटोमॅटिकली त्यांना एक प्लॅटफॉर्म मेळटा टू शोकेस देअर टॅलंट आणि दॅट इज द गोल ऑफ चर्चिल ब्रदर्स. आय अंडरस्टँड टुडे देर आर लॉट ऑफ डिफरन्सीस इन थॉट प्रोसेस. कोणा दिसता की आंत फुटबॉला आम रावपा न्हू, कोणा दिसता वी नीड टू लायक नॉट बी देर ऑर बी देर. टू ईच हिज ओन. आय मीन whatever their opinion is, I cannot say much. But I think Churchill Brothers is a club which existed before ISL and is existing during ISL. And for me it's a very, very, very big day because it is my father's dream to play in ISL. And he आज पळय संदी मेळ्या ताका की ह्या टीम चोवपाक. And even my mother, I mean, tum soila astole, like she's there, on the stadium every time. So yeah, I mean, it's like I told you, we just can't do it overnight, but it will happen. And at a time where, we understand what is football, there are other opinions as well, but we have never ever given up on our dreams. We worked hard. And the beauty of Churchill Brothers is the consistency. It's continued, no matter what, ups, downs, challenges, be it, in terms of finances and a lot of things. But, the sport is one quality, or rather football is a quality which teaches you teamwork, teaches you to win and also lose with grace. It teaches you that there is no difference between caste, color, creed or religion, and at the same time it gives an opportunity to everyone to showcase their talent. पळय सगळ्या गोंयकारां पळय प्रेफरन्स आसतलो कित्याक तें सांगिल्लें ते प्रमाणे मीच गोंयकारांक क्लब आनी जायत प्लेयर कॉन्ट्रॅक्टाचे आहाय आमकोडे, जायत प्लेयर जमशेदपुराले आहाय आनी हेरूय प्लेयर आम कॉन्टेक्ट करीत आहे. प्लेयरान केन्ना होप सोडना क्लबांचो. सो हांव मागोता आनी चोवपा जाय की तूं प्लेयर आनी कितें तें. वी होप फॉर द बेस्ट. We would, but I don't know, because floodlights is a must and there are many things, but Fatorda has always been our fortress. So, but we have to, like my father said, we have to see that people come back on the stadium. So we have to give that sense of belonging, and the sense of belonging, like how you rightly said, is by nurturing younger talent and homegrown footballers.
But do you all think Raya is Best ground for you.
I think so, but you know the pitch and the floodlights is something not really. But I would love to play at that.
The last
He's the first generation. I'm the second generation. Aditya and all these people are the third generation. So the sport is for generations. Be it Angel, Islinda, Emmanuel, Antonio. So sport is something we give back to the community and not something we take back. So Aditya, you have to say something.
she wants to say something, Angel.
From 1988 for him to run. I got a coach. For him to run with such expectations is like it's very difficult for me also to come in and how do I say it? Every year, the reason why Goans especially wanted Churchill brothers, why not like ask for another club, right? Why just Churchill? 2012, it's 2026 now, so 14 years. In 14 years, there has been only one Goan player who's nominated as the best player in India, and that's been Lenny Rodriguez, and he recruited Lenny. So it's like saying for 14 years, you can't say that just one Goan player, right? But that is the standard. So when the people come to the stands this year, you can be rest assured it will be the best of Goans playing for this club. And with foreigners, so you don't have to, I don't even have to say much because the history speaks for it that there are 2 stars on the jersey. Churchill Brothers will be a team and will always, it has been a team since 1989 and always be a team. They are not here to participate. If we play a league, it is to win. He knows no other method but to win. And that's why all the Goans, they're saying, why do they want Churchill? And I'm not, no disrespect to the other top 4 Goans, clubs that do exist and are still playing, but most of the Goans right now, and many Indians are saying, oh, there's no future for Indian football and this and that. And I read a statement the other day, somebody said that even if I get a spot free, I will not take it. But with him, you just think about it, right? One man is saying that I will die and pour whatever I have and what I don't have also for the sport. And on the other hand, there are people saying that there's no future. So that's why I feel there's this connection between Goans and us, and I'm 100% sure the stadium will be full. Everybody's saying that attendance has been poor, this, that. FC Goa also, in fact, even they helped. I really want to thank Ravi Pushkar. I'll say this to Ravi. Because even he, after a certain point, must have realized that you can't have monopoly in football. That, the competition needs to, you need competition to survive. And I'm sure he's also happy because now there's going to be a derby in Goa.
He is. And we are looking for a rival